Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver HP EliteBook 836G5. So use to any browser to type Google search box as it is same and go to this website www.support.hp.com and driver. Right click to open new tab. Go to this tab. Okay, if it is not showing here, just you can copy the name, go to this tab, again click to search, and then if you want to change operating system, so you can click and select the required, then click to update. Scroll down, this is BIOS. Okay, just click to download, it will automatically start. So audio chipset graphic keyboard network, this is required. Okay, so just extract audio and then click to download. I show you management chipset driver, so click to download, it will start automatically. Okay, you can see that. No thanks, I will download install manually. Okay, then chipset graphic card, so use Intel video control, this one, keyboard mouse, so this is your camera driver. Okay, and for the network, this is your Wi-Fi, LAN, and this is Bluetooth. So just to click to download, it will start automatically. Okay, if you install more, then you can click on the download more driver to automatically go back. Otherwise you can click to download. So select open, then yes, then next, I accept, then next, so it is installed. So guys, you required basically audio chipset graphic keyboard mouse input device and network. After you install the driver, you have to restart your system. Okay, thank you.